Hi, you're welcome in the name of Jesus. My name is Anatoly. This is Prophetic Word with Anatoly. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, turn on your notification button, and comment. The Lord gave me a prophetic word. He said, all that they stole from you, He is restoring it 7 times. He said, your spiritual gifts, everyday money, joy, peace, marriage, children, finance, job. The Lord said, I should tell you, He is restoring it to you 7 times. 7 times. 7 times. Get ready. There will be what? A restoration. 7 times of what you lost. The Lord is restoring it back to you. So get ready. This is a season of restoration. It's a season of restoration.